Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Gilang Nugraha. I'm from 3A, and in this occasion I would like to present my presentation about research proposal entitled Implementation of Students Reading Comprehension Skill on Narrative Text through PQRST Strategy. There are 8 points of this presentation. The first is background of the study, then research question, the third purpose of study, the fourth significance of the study, then scope of study, research methodology, and the last instrument. Okay, let's continue to the first material. Background of study. Reading is one of 4 basic skills of English, which is important because it is the basic to learn English, so it must be developed. According to Malia 2015 page 1, through reading they can get new ideas, obtain needed information, seek support for their ideas, complete their assignments, and broaden their interests. In junior high school curriculum, reading is one of the competence standards conducted to the student. But most of the students say that reading is difficult and many kinds of text must be learned by them. Alice Oshima and Anna Hall 2007 page 35, they state narrative is the kind of writing that you do when you tell a story. Narrative text is one of kind of text that must be learned by the students when they are studying English. It is a text that has purpose to entertain or amuse the reader or listener, that contains 3 basic generic structure. It is difficult enough for students, especially for the second grade student in junior high school. Formerly 2010 page 131 state that PQRST method consists of 5 activities: preview, question, read, state or summarize, and test, and some additional activities that consist of discuss the answers, determining the main sentences, main ideas, and ideas of explanatory. Next, research question. There are 3 questions in this research. The first is, how does the teacher implement of PQRST strategy on teaching reading comprehension through narrative text? And the second, what are the effects of PQRST strategy on teaching reading comprehension through narrative text? And the last, how are the students' response to the implementation of PQRST strategy in reading narrative text? Okay. Next, purpose of study. This research will be aimed at finding out the first is to find the implementation of PQRST strategy through narrative text in improving students' reading comprehension. The second, to find out the effect of PQRST strategy through narrative text in improving students' reading comprehension. And the last, to find out the students' responses to the implementation of PQRST strategy through narrative text in improving students' reading comprehension. Significance of the study. The result of the study are hoped to give significance in theoretical and practical aspects. The first, theoretically, the study gives significance to improve the references that can be used in conducting the research, especially in education. In the other hand, the study improves the references of teaching strategy that can be used in teaching reading comprehension. The second is practically. The writer will be able to improve the writer knowledge in writing paper and the writer knowledge about teaching and learning English. In the other hand, it could help the students to improve their knowledge and achievement in learning English, especially in improving their reading in comprehension. And next, scope of the study. Based on the research question above, the writer will limit the discussion of teaching reading comprehension by using PQRST strategy. The study itself will be focused on teaching reading by using PQRST strategy that used by the teacher, especially in improving students' reading comprehension in narrative text at the second grade of junior high school in Ciamis. Research methodology. There are 3 points in research methodology. The first is research design, the second research sites, and the last research participants. Research design. Relevant to the research purpose and research questions, a qualitative method will be applied in this research. According to Frankel and Wallen 2007 page 423, qualitative research concerned with process and tend to analyze and interpret of comprehensive visual data. Then number two, know what their participants do in this study. In this study, the writer will apply naturalistic qualitative research design. It means that the writer did not manipulate the classroom activities. The study is focused on observation classroom activities, including describing and identifying the implementation of PQRST strategy during reading classroom activities. In the research, the writer will use case study as the research design because the study was describing the detailed description about the case. According to Frankel and Wallen 2007, page 430, what case study researchers have in common is they call the object of the research cases, and they focus their research on the study of such cases. Then research sites. This research will be conducted in SMPN 5 Ciamis in Ciamis Regency, West Java. There are several reasons why the writer will choose this junior high school as the research site. Firstly, in the point of writer view, the familiarity and the comfortable of the situation will be enabling the writer to conduct the research at the school. Secondly, the writer thinks that the junior high school is relevant with the topic which the writer investigates. And the last point in research methodology is research participant. The participant of this research is the second grade of students in junior high school. Okay, the last material is instrument. There are three instruments that used in this research. The first is observation. In this study, the writer will do the observation to investigate about the teacher do and the students' responses about the implementation of PQRST strategy in teaching reading narrative text. The second, interview. In collecting the data, the writer will use interview to English teacher. By using interview in qualitative research, it provides the detailed information about the case. And the last, questionnaire. In the study, the writer will give a questionnaire to the students. The students have to answer the question based on their perception about the implementation of PQRST strategy in teaching reading narrative text. Okay, that's all presentation from me. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.